All right. Subham is there. Subham.
Present, sir.
Okay.
Present, sir. Sir Subham.
Yes, Subham present. Abratam. Abratam is
Yes,
there.
sir. Yes, yeah.
Lile. Lile. Sampanna. Janetu. Janetu. Ravi. Ravi is there.
Yes,
Ravi.
sir. Yes, sir.
Janetu is present. Ravi is present. Sandesh.
Present, sir.
Niraj.
Present, sir.
Anmol.
Yes, sir.
Sarika. Regina. Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Sunny.
Rohit.
Sunny.
Yes, sir. Sunny. Present, sir.
Assis.
Present, sir. Here.
Right. Sabij. Sabij is there.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Topic. Topic is there. Ibrahim Inusa. Dipan. Dhara. Sianity. Tenangawa. Kadili. Okay. Syrian student. Iba.
Yes, sir.
Iba present. Maya. Rama. Yarab. Alit. Hadar. Azam. Angam. Ali Habib. Ali Mehboob. Hussein Salame. Haidar Saloon. Waha Kadur. Adam. Ibrahim. Ahmed Mala. Ahmed Ali Yusuf. Ali Zulfikar Muhammad Ali. Ibrahim Asad. Anas. Yusuf. Ali Lolo. Isa Abbas. Zafar Ahmed. Mahmoud Al-Sufri. Ahmed Hassan. Alright. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Is it?
Sir,
Sampanna?
it's Sampanna Singh. I just joined.
Okay. Sampanna. Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I think it is visible to all of you. So the last day, uh, we have discussed about incidence matrix and types of all examples of incidence matrix as well. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss the important concept of this unit, particular unit of matrix representation of graphs, is cut set. Okay. So let's discuss what is cut set and how to figure out what is the cut set, how many cut sets are there in a graph, and what is the exact concept of cut set. So first of all, suppose we have any connected graph. Try to get the concept clearly. If you got stuck at any point, please let me know such that I can let you understand particular concept. So uh, if I have any connected graph, okay, I have any connected graph G, then what is the role of a cut set? A cut set means we are cutting some edges. Okay. Cut set means we are cutting, we're removing some edges. Okay. And just a minute. All right. So we are removing some edges from that particular connected set, such that in such a manner we are removing that edges such that we can make this connected sets into two parts or into two components. That means we are making that connected set into a disconnected graph. That connected graph becomes a disconnected graph. Okay, by just applying one cut set. That cut set is like we are applying a one knife over some graph. Okay, if I apply a knife over a graph, or if I apply a scissor over a graph in such a manner, that graph becomes a disconnected. Okay, otherwise if the graph remain connected, then that is not a cut set. If the graph remain connected, that is not a cut set. Okay, so we have to use that cut set in such a manner that the graph is actually becomes into two parts, right? It becoming into two parts, like two components, or you must say it's a disconnected graph. After applying the cut set, the connected graph becomes disconnected. Okay, and one of the important concept of cut set is that there exists no proper subset of these edges that disconnects the graph G. What does it mean? We have any cut set, like here in this figure, we have a cut set like A, C, D, F. We use this cut set, and we always use that cut set like this manner. We will cut like this. Okay, dotted one. Okay, so A, C, D, F is a cut set. All right, A, C, D, F means we can write like in the curly bracket. In a curly bracket, A, C, D, F. Now, how do I decide that this ACDF is a cut set? First of all, if I apply this cut set, that graph becomes into two parts. That graph becomes disconnected. Look at this. If I apply this cut set, the graph becomes into two parts. Okay, that means we get our first desire fulfilled. Our first desire is that the graph becomes disconnected. The second desire is that there must not be no proper subset. There must not be any proper subset. Okay, there must not be any proper subset of that particular cut set which also disconnect this connected graph into two parts. Okay, now we have to check how many proper subsets exist for ACDF. If any of you have any idea about proper subset, please let me know. Please tell me if you have any idea about proper subset. Any of you? You know what is proper subset?
Yes, sir.
The basic
If we
concept
have,
of set theory. Yes,
if we have two graphs, then if we have, like is here, sir, if we have two graphs, so one graph all elements belong in other's graph.
no. I'm not talking about graph. I'm asking about
Sir.
subset, proper subset.
Yes,
This is a set. ACDF. ACDF is a set. Now tell me, Ravi, how many proper subset exist for this? ACDF is a set. I'm asking how many proper subsets exist for this, and what are these proper subsets? Tell me, Asis.
Yes, sir. 2 to the power n minus 1 number of proper sources.
2 to the power n minus 1, yes. But what are they?
Sir, they are every other set except containing all the elements A, C, D, F.
Perfect. They are all the subset of this set ACDF except the main one, except the original one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which means what? Means ACDF.
Does not contain the original set.
Yes. 15 will be there. Now, what are the first I will do? A is going to be a proper singleton set. I will write all the singleton sets ACDF. Then I will write all double tone sets AC, DF, AD, AF, CD, CF. All right. Then we will write all triple tone set. Triple tone set is ACD, ADF, ACF, and the last one is C, D, F. C, D, F. And the finally, we calculate already 14 is there. 4 plus 6 plus 4 is 14. And phi is one of them. Phi means this null set. Null set is always a subset of any particular set. That means total how many? 15. 15 means what's the formula of count? Count of the proper subset is 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 is going to be the count of 2 power n minus 1 is going to be the count of 2 power n minus 1 is going to be the count of all proper subsets of any particular sets. Which means what? Means in this case we get 15. N means total number of elements in the set. 4 elements, that means 15. Now in this case we get total 15 proper subset. Among these 15 proper subset, now tell me, is there any cut set exist for which if I apply that cut set among all those proper subset, okay, 15 proper subset, if there exist any of them, if I apply on this particular graph that cut set, that graph becomes disconnected. Is it possible? Not possible. It is not possible that if I apply any of the cut set, like total 15, 1, 2, 3, if I apply any of the cut set, if I apply any of the cut set and after applying them in the particular connected graph, the graph becomes disconnected. It is not possible. Since it is not possible, that's why ACDF is a perfect cut set. Okay. Otherwise, ACDFs cannot. We cannot say if suppose we apply ACD. If suppose in any graph ACD is also a cut set. If suppose in any graph ACD is also a cut set. Okay. For any other graph. For any other graph, suppose ACD is also a cut set. But here it's not. If I cut ACD, graph remains connected. Okay. That's why if I apply ACD in other graph and the graph becomes disconnected, then ACDF is not a cut set, but ACD is cut set at that time. At that time, ACD is cut set. Okay, so that is the basic logic to find or figure out how many cut sets are there and how to find the cut sets of any graph, connected graph. If you have any query, please ask me. This is a very important concept. This is a very, very important concept. Please ask me. Subham?
Yes, sir. That what's it? Once again.
One second.
Sir, how you got a subset? Please explain.
Subset
Like we
means?
know what is subset, but how we got that?
Yes, Sunny. That is that ACDF. I have a subset. I can figure out total 15 subset like this. So phi is always exists, right? Phi is always a subset of any subset, right? Any set. So now ACD. First one is singleton. I take the first single elements from this graph, from this particular set. So A, C, D, F, singleton sets all are subset. Then take double tones, AC, AD, AF, CD, CF, DF, all are going to be double tone. That's going to be double tone set. All are subset. Subset means that contains in that particular main set. Okay. That set which is containing, which contains in that particular main set. Okay, so the main set here ACDF. Among ACDF I took some elements. Okay, 4 elements are there, ACDF. If you take some elements and you can create another set, that is going to be the subset. But we cannot take ACDF because we are talking about proper subset. If I take that ACDF, okay, ACDF is a subset of ACDF. ACDF is a subset of ACDF, but not a proper subset of ACDF. Okay, that is the difference between a proper subset and subset. Okay, now I'm asking you that if I apply any of the cut sets, like total 15 proper subsets are there of ACDF, just try to imagine if I apply A, I cut A over here. I cut A. Will be the graph disconnected over here? No. If I cut A, the graph becomes connected, still connected. If I apply AC, suppose, if I apply AC, I cut A and C both. I cut A and C both. Still the graph is connected. If I cut A and C, still the graph is connected. No change. I mean, we cannot figure out that is going to be disconnected. That's why even if I apply ACD, ACF, ADF, you can check any of them. You can check any of them. If I apply any of the particular subset or proper subset as a cut set, that will not a cut set. Okay, that will if I apply that cut set, that graph becomes still connected. Okay, that's why ACDF is a perfect cut set. Okay, now as an example, suppose I'm giving you another example. I told you ACDF is a cut set. Okay, now if I give you some example like ACDF, you may tell me ACDFH. ACDFH, is it a cut set? It is not a cut set because ACDF is a cut set and it is a proper subset of that ACDFH. ACDF is a cut set and ACDFH is a ACDF is a proper subset of ACDFH. That's why ACDF is not a ACDFH is not a cut set because there exists a proper subset ACDF which is a cut set of that set. All right, proceed further. If you have still any doubt, please ask me.
Sir, can you use other than ACDF like GBCH?
Yes, lots of Anmol. I will ask you. Lots of cut sets are there. So the minimum cut sets. What's the minimum cut sets there? I can delete this K edge. A K is going to be the minimum cut set. So if I apply K, what will be the remaining part? Remaining part is going to be that components. That components becomes like this. All right, this is going to be the components. So whenever you are applying any cut sets, at just beside of that cut sets, you have to draw the components. Okay, so generally we will ask you figure out 7 or 8 cut sets of any particular graph. So after applying that cut sets, you have to draw the components. That is, after cutting that set, what is going to be the components? What's going to be the disconnected graph? You have to draw this like this in the right beside of that. Okay. So the best way to figure out all cut sets to cut all those vertices first. I mean, separate all those vertices. How many vertices are there in here? In this graph, how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I separate total 6 vertices, so I will get 6 cut set. That 6 cut sets is good enough. After that, you have to find another cut set. Okay. So always try to figure out the very first thing is that figure out all these cut set which can separate that vertex from the whole graph. One vertex from whole graph we can separate. Okay, using a cut set. That is one cut set. Okay. After that, total suppose 6 vertices there, so you get 6 cut set. And I'm asking you total find 7 cut sets. Now after that just you need to figure out 1 extra cut set. Okay. So let's start now.
Sir.
Here yes.
So like
yes,
can the cut, the cut should be only one edge, like A only.
That A?
Yes,
that
just
A is
one
not a cut set.
edge.
Yes, one edge is possible, but this A is not cut set. A is not a cut set. If I cut A, what happened? If I cut A, suppose the graph becomes like this. Neeraj, if I cut A, the graph becomes like this. Is it a disconnected graph? Neeraj?
No,
is
sir.
it a disconnected graph? No, it is not a disconnected. That's why A is not a cut set. But K is a cut set. K is a cut set. If I apply K, that K is a cut set. Okay? If I cut K, K can disconnect the graph into 2 parts. One is V3, another is other particulars graph. All right. Okay. So now your task is to figure out 7 possible vertices, 7 possible cut sets. You have to figure out 7 possible cut sets, okay, for this graph. One cut set is given ACDF. Don't use ACDF. Apart from ACDF, you have to figure out all other 7 possible cut sets. Okay. Once you're done with that, write down your answer on the chat box. All cut set. Okay, 7 cut set you have to write down on the chat box, and don't just write the cut sets. In your book, just write cut set, and beside of that, you have to draw the components of the disconnected graph. Okay, you have to draw the components of the disconnected graph after applying the cut set, how it's break the connected graph into disconnected. Okay, that you have to draw. So complete this task, and I will ask you to show your work. So first, what you need to do first, complete this task, figure out 7 cut sets of this graph and draw all these components. And after that, write down on chat box what are the cut sets, and I will check all this answer, and I will clarify your solvings.
Sir, sir, excuse me, sir.
Once you're done with your answer, just write down on chat box what's going to be the cut sets. 7 cut sets you have to figure out, except ACDF. Still, I get no response. All of you have to write the answer on chat box.
Sir,
Yes, Neeraj.
Sir, can there be multiple disconnected
Yes,
graphs?
Neeraj. Sorry, which one?
Like in the screen there are only two disconnected graphs. Like we can make multiple disconnected graphs, more than two.
No. Multiple disconnected is not possible. Only two components.
Oh, okay, sir.
You have to make disconnected graph in such a manner you can get only two components. Okay, not more than two components. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Sir, due to net connection, still I have doubt, sir, because here is one connected graph, here is one, because here is derived one connected graph, one disconnected graph. That's why, sir, once again, due to net connection problems.
Okay, I will let you know about the same things the next problem.
No, sir, not,
Okay, just hold on.
not brief, just shortly explain, sir.
Okay, Ravi. You have to cut the graph, cut some edges. You have to remove some edges from this graph. That set of edges is going to be the cut sets. You have to remove edges in such a manner such that you can divide the graph into two parts. Okay, you can divide the graph into two parts. That means you can make the graph into disconnected graph with two components. Okay, and also you have to remember that once you make this graph into two components, that particular cut sets must not have any particular proper subset which is also a cut set of that graph. This is the basic definition of cut set. Ravi, I'm asking about the first graph, not the second graph. Okay. The second graph is part of the cut set. Okay. If you add this, we will get that disconnected graph. I think how many possible disconnected graph, how many possible cut sets will be there? Total 7 possible cut sets I ask you. Like
Sir,
Ashish has been
sir, here is
completed.
derived, here one is derived from this graph connected and one disconnected graph, sir.
Where? In this slide?
Yes, sir, in this figure, sir.
In this slide?
Yes, sir, yes, sir,
In
in
this
this slide.
slide, I want. In this slide,
Sir,
I
you
apply one cut set that is ACDF. ACDF is a cut. Just listen, Ravi. ACDF is a cut set. If I apply ACDF cut set, so I make that graph into disconnected parts, two disconnected components. That disconnected components I have been drawn here. Okay, check that disconnected components here. Okay, so what you have to work here, work in this main curve, main graph, main connected graph. Like what? Like Ashish has done. Check, Ashish has done ACH. ACH is a perfect cut. If I apply ACH as a cut set, so it's going to be a cut set because I can make disconnected that graph. Similarly, ACDF. ACDF is a cut set. Yes, Ashish, well done. ABEF. ABEF is also a cut set, or a vertical cut set. Similarly, ABG. ABG is also cut set. We can disconnect V1 from the all other vertex using ABG.
always should be
Similarly,
disconnected, sir, right?
sorry, Ravi,
It's always should be disconnected, sir.
is
Always should be disconnected.
yes. After applying this cut set, that graph must be disconnected into two parts, into two components.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Find and Ashish says HDF. HDF is also perfect, Ashish. GEF. GEF is also perfect. Well done, Ashish. All correct. Sandesh says ABG. ABG, yes, correct, Sandesh. HDG. 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 HDG is wrong, Sandesh. You can check HDG. HDG is wrong. You
Yes,
have
sir.
to
Yes, sir.
write
My mistake.
HDEG. Yes, yes. You have to write HDEG. Okay, HDEG is going to be correct. Then GCF. GCF. GCF is also wrong, Sandesh. GCF is also wrong. You have to write GEF. GEF is correct, but GCF is wrong. HDF is correct. ACH. ACH. ACH is also correct. GBCH. GBCH. Yes, correct. GEDH. GEDH is also correct. Well done, Sandesh. Just check two of that particular cut sets. That is mistake.
Okay, sir.
Sunny says ACDF. ACDF. ACDF is correct, Sunny. K is correct. HDF. HDF is correct. GEF. GEF is correct. ABCGH. ABCGH.
So A, there will not be A. B, C, G, H only.
Yes, BCGH. Let me check. Yeah, BCGH is correct, but don't include A. Okay, BCGH is correct.
So it
Okay.
was mistake, A, B, C.
Yes, yes. GEDH. GEDH is also correct. ABEF. ABEF is also correct. Okay. Well done. Yes, Ashish guided you. Janetu says ABEF. ABEF is correct. GEDH. GEDH correct. GBCH. GBCH is also correct. ACH. ACH is correct. K correct. ABG correct. ABG is also correct. BCDE. BCDE. Very good, Janetu. BCDE is also a perfect cut set because we can separate V6 if I apply BCDA. BCDE. Well done, Janetu. Now Rohit says K correct, ACH correct, ABG correct, ACDF. ACDF correct. ABEF correct, GEF correct, GBCH, GBCH, well done. DH, very Subham says ACH, EF correct, FDG, well done, correct, GEF correct, A correct, AE also correct, ABEG, Subham, ABEG is wrong. Subham, if I apply ABEG, you cannot make the graph disconnected. Graph remains connected. ABEF is correct, but ABEG is wrong. GEDH. GEDH is correct. Okay. Niraj says K, ACH, GEF, GEFT. Niraj, how becomes GEF? GEF. GEF is cut set, right? But GEFT. GEFT is not a cut set because GEF is a proper subset of GEFT, which is a cut set. Okay, Neeraj? GEF is a proper GEFT, which is a cut set. That's why GEF is not a cut set. HDF cut set. Okay. AB, G is also correct. Okay, very good. All done. Anyone else? Okay, few properties are there. Few properties are there. As I told you that these are the cut sets. I mean, already as you have found that some cut sets are there, but ACDH is not a cut set. As you can figure out, ACDH is not a cut set here in the last graph because ACH is going to be the cut set. So there is a proper subset of ACDH which is a cut set. That's why ACDH is not a cut set. In similar manner, we can say every cut set is a co-cycle. We can say every cut set is a co-cycle. Okay, so that is a very important short question, or you may say important question for MCQ. Every cut set is going to be a co-cycle. Okay, another point is that for any particular tree, okay, whenever we have any tree, every tree is having no cycle. We know that every tree is having no cycle. That means we cannot have any circuit in particular tree. That's why every edge of a tree is a cut set. If I remove any edge from a tree, we can break the tree into two parts always. That's why every edge of a tree is always a cut set. That is also important for your MCQ type questions. So now I will give you some questions regarding that particular cut sets. Okay, I will give you some connected graph. You have to figure out 7 possible cut sets of that graph. Also, don't just need to just write the cut sets. Also, you have to draw the components. I mean, breaking components. Breaking components means after applying this cut set, what is going to be the disconnected graph that you have to draw. Subham, yes, Subham. In the second part, the age ACDH just said ACDH. Okay, ACDH in the last graph. Okay, you can check your last graph. ACDH is not a cut set because ACH is a cut set of that graph, and ACH is a proper subset of ACDH. That's why since ACH is a cut set, so we cannot say that ACDH is also cut set. Okay, so ACDH is not a cut set here because ACH is a proper subset and it is a cut set of that graph. That's why. And the third part is every cut set is always known as a co-cycle. Okay, every cut set of a graph is known as a co-cycle. This is just a name, just a naming. Okay. Now I will give you some questions. Just try to solve it and write down your answer on chat box. All right. So before starting these solutions, let's give some applications to you of that particular cut set. So suppose we have any cut sets, and the cut sets is actually important in studying of communication and transportation network. Okay, how it's important? Suppose we have 6 vertices. Like here is given 6 vertices: V1, V2, V3, and V4, and V5, V6. So all 6 vertices represent the 6 cities of that particular by telephone lines. Okay. Now we wish to find out if there is any weak spots of the network that need strengthening by means of additional telephone lines. Okay, that means we want to figure out is there any weak spot in the telephone network or not. Okay, to get that, we need to look at this smallest number of edge that where we can make a cut. That is going to be the smallest number of edge cut is exist or not. So first of all, if you look at this V2 and V3 edge, V2 and V3 edge is going to be having only one edge. So if I cut that edge, V2 and V3, that is going to be a smallest cut of this particular graph, which can remove the vertex V3 from the connected graph. All right. So in this figure, that city's vertex can be severed from the rest of the network by destruction of the just one edges. That means what? That means if I figure out only one cut set, that is the smallest cut set of this particular graph, that will work for it. Okay. Apart from there, that there are lots of cut set, but the smallest cut set here that work for us. Okay. So let us give you some examples for particular cut sets. So this is the first question I will ask you. So you have to figure out 7 possible cut sets. You have to figure out 7 possible cut sets of this graph such that the graph becomes disconnected into 2 parts. Okay, 7 possible cut sets. Okay, once you're done with that, just write down on your solutions on the chat box all the cut sets, 7 possible cut sets on the chat box, such that I can check and I can judge your answers. Also, in book you have to draw the components, disconnected components as well. Don't just write the cut sets, as well as you have to draw the disconnected components. Ravi, don't just say done. You have to write down the answers. Ravi, you have to write down the cut sets, 7 possible cut sets, like Anmol have done. Anmol, okay, Anmol, let's check. 7-6, yeah, it's correct. 157, correct. 142 is correct. 2-3, it's okay, very good. 3-4-5-6, 3-4-5-6, correct. 1-4-3, 1-4-3 is correct. 7-5-4-3, 7-5-4-3, correct. Well done, Anmol. Sunny, 7-6-7-6, correct. 1-5-7, 1-5-7, correct. 3-4-5-6, 3-4-5-6, correct. 1-2-4, 1-2-4, correct. 2-3, correct. 1-4-3, 1-4-3, correct. 2-4-5-6, 2-4-5-6. Well done, Sunny. All correct. Subham says 1-2. 1-2. What is this, Subham? A1, 2, 2C3. I didn't get it, Subham. What is this? A1, 2 means? 1-2 is wrong actually. Okay, it's 2-3. 2-3 is correct, but it's not 1-2. 1-2 is wrong. 1-4-2 is correct. Then 3-4-5-6. 3-4-5-6 correct. 1-4-5-7. 1-4-5-7 is wrong. Subham, 1-4-5-7 is wrong, Subham, because 1-5-7 is a cut set. Look at this. 1-5-7 is a cut set, and if I use 1-4-5-7, then 1-5-7 is a proper subset of 1-4-5-7, so which is not possible. That's why 1-4-5-7 is not possible, Subham. Update it. 7-6 is correct. 2-4-5-7 is correct. 2-4-5-6 is correct. Okay, so update only one. Apart from that, all correct, Subham. Sandesh, 1-4-2 correct. 7-6 correct. 2-3 correct. 3-4-5-6. 3-4-5-6 correct. 2-4-5-7. 2-4-5-7 is correct. 1-4-3 correct. 2-4-5-6. 2-4-5-6 also correct. Well done, Sandesh. Ashish said, I think there are more than 7 cursors. Then why do you ask it to make 7 cursors? That is up to ask about how we ask. Okay, Ashish, more than 7 exist, but we ask for the timing that is up to 7 cursors. You have to figure out. Okay, more than 7 exist. All yes, there are more than 7 cursors exist. Okay, so 6-7, 1-2-4, 2-3, 3-4-5-6, 1-5-7, 1-4-3, 7-5-4-2, 7-5-4-2. All correct, Ashish. Well done. Genetu says 5. Genetu, how 5 is a cut set, Genetu? Tell me. How 5 is a cut set? If I use 5, if I apply 5 over here, so graph becomes like this. And it's still connected, Genetu. So 5 is not a cut set, Genetu. 1-4-3 correct. 2-4-5-7 correct. 2-4-5-6 correct. 3-4-5-7. 3-4-5-7 correct. Only 4 you have done correct, and 5 is wrong. Okay, Genetu, correct it up and also figure out other 2. Ravi said 7-6 correct. 1-7-6, 1-7-5-6. Ravi, how 1-7-5-6 is a cut set? Because 1-7-5 is going to be a cut set. 1-5-7, 1-5-7 is a cut set, Ravi. This one is a cut set. 1-5-7. All right, Ravi. 1-5-7 is a cut set. 1-5-7-5-6 not a cut set because 1-5-7 is a proper subset of 1-5-7-6. 2-3-7-6-6-7. 2-3-6-7. Again, Ravi. 2-3 is a proper subset of 2-3-7-6, and 2-3 is a cut set. So 2-3-7-6 is wrong. 1-7-5. 1-7-5. Yeah. 1-7-5. Okay. 1-7-5. It's okay. 1-2-4. 1-2-4 is okay. 1-5-7, 1-7-5 both are same. Don't need to write 2 times. 2, 3. Okay. So update your among your all work. 2 of them is actually wrong. So update that. Ravi. Rohit said 6, 7. 6, 7 is correct. 2, 3 correct. 1, 4 through 1, 4, 2 correct. 1, 5, 7 correct. 1, 4, 3 correct. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6 correct. 3, 4, 5, 6 correct. Well done, Rohit. All done. Neeraj says 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 2, 3, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 6. Yes, well done. 1, 3, 4, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 4, 5. How it's 1, 3, 4, 5, Neeraj? 1, 3, 4 is the cut set. 1, 3, 4 is a cut set. So 1, 3, 4, 5, it's not possible. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, true. 2, 4, 5, 7. It's true. So 1, 3, 4, 5. Neeraj is wrong because 1, 3, 4 is a cut set. All right. So hope you get the stuff. So these are the possible cut sets of this cast. Okay. Now start with next question. Question number 2. All of you, don't just write the cut set. Write down your cut set on chat box, as well as you have to decide. You have to draw the component-wise disconnected graph on your book, and I will ask you to show your book in this particular question. So draw this component-wise disconnected graph after each applying this each cut sets. Okay. So total 7 cut sets you have to apply. Yes, I will name the edge. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start solving. Mabratam says that the last question. 1, 4, 2 correct. Mabratam 2, 3 correct. 7, 6 correct. 1, 5, 7 correct. 3, 4, 5, 6 correct. 2, 4, 5, 6 correct. 1, 5, 6 correct. 1, 4, 3 correct. All done. Well done, Mabratam. Also figure out the maximum cut set and minimum cut set for question number 2. Okay, all of you. Figure out the maximum cut set and minimum cut set for question number 2. That means maximum cut set means the maximum edge will be there in the cut set, and minimum cut set means the minimum number of edge will be there in the cut set. So just write down the maximum cut set and minimum cut set apart from this 7. Okay. Anmol said 1, 5. Yeah, 1, 5 is correct. 1, 2, 1, 2 correct. 2, 3 correct. 3, 4 correct. 4, 5. 4, 5. Well done. 4, 5 correct. 7, 8. 7, 8, correct. 9, 10. Well done, Anmol, all correct. Sunny say 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 17. Well done, Sunny, all correct. Ravi says 1, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 7, 8. Well done, Ravi, all done. Someone says 6, 7, 10, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 8, 10, 8. 5, 4, 5, 3, 10, 8. Very good. So I'm all done. Neeraj says 6, 7, 8, 8, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 5. Okay, okay. Also write down the maximum cut set and minimum cut set. Maximum cut set and minimum cut set. Yes, Ashish, minimum is 6. Only one minimum cut set is there, that is 6. If I remove that 6 edge, that is going to be break into 2 parts. And what's the maximum? Is there any cut set present with 3 edge? Is there any cut set present here with the 3 edge? Sunny, minimum cut set and maximum cut set means the minimum elements present in the cut set and maximum element present in the cut set. Like 6. 6 is the cut set which is having only one element, that is 6. And that is the minimum cut set. Similarly, if there is any cut set which is having 3 or 4 elements, okay, that is going to be maximum cut set. We found lots of 2 elements here. Now my question is that, is there any sub cut set is present which is actually having 3 edge? Is there any cut set which is having 3 edge?
So
Think
T
about. Sorry,
and D.
sorry,
T and
Neeraj,
D.
I didn't get it. Please, 2. Neeraj,
Yes, sir.
which one? Please tell me.
So that T and D.
B and D. No, no, I'm asking cut set. I'm asking about cut set. Mobratam 26246 is wrong because 24 is a cut set. Sunny says 6, 7, 10. 6, 7, 10 is wrong because 6 is a cut set. Think about it. Is it possible to figure out any cut set with 3 edge in this graph? Any cut set with 3 edges? Not possible. Yes, not possible. So this is a very interesting graph. In this graph, there is no cut set present with 3 edges. We can ask that question also in examination. Okay. We can ask also that type of question in examination. To find 3 edge cut set. Okay, we can figure out, we can ask you to find the find the cut set which is having 3 elements. We can write find the cut set which is having 3 elements. Find the cut set which is having 4 elements among this graph. Find the cut set which is having 2 elements. Okay. All right. Hope you get it. Let's proceed further. Tomorrow MCQ question Ashish. All MCQ 10 questions will be there. 20 marks, 30 minutes. Question number 3. Question number 3 to all of you. Question number 3. Let's put the edge. Okay, I mark that edge. Now figure out all these cut sets, 7 cut sets, and also draw the components, disconnected components. Also figure out the maximum cut sets and minimum cut sets. Figure out the maximum cut set and minimum cut sets.